we'll be speaking on substitution and representation. Many ministers have asked me, what do you mean when you speak of substitution? Well, I mean just that. It's a substitute. It's not the real thing. It's not authentic. It holds no value. So it is in the body of Christ that if we're not representatives or ambassadors of Christ, then we're substituting that very thing that He has called us to do and be. In the midst of substitution, it brings me in mind of something like an assembly line of cars. They go through, they get all these things put on them. Some say seminary school, license, ordination, but this car is being put together. But somewhere down the road, it has missed a step. It has not been approved, or something was overlooked. And as they continue on the journey in life, this car, whether it be 10,000, 20,000, or 30,000 miles, is recalled. Therefore, there's a defect somewhere in this car. Well, so it is with the Christian life. If we go through life and skip steps, and we can get the license, and we can get the ordination, and we can get all the seminary schools in the world, but if God has not made us, then we will be recalled. Once we've been recalled, whatever part or defect that is wrong with us or a vehicle, then it is rejected. And once it's rejected, then it's not received. And if it's not received, then it's not authentic. So therefore, once it's called, rejected, and it comes back to the factory, then God will not put His seal on that until it is properly made. And so it is with the Christian life and walk today, that anything that's not made of God, and is a substitution, it's not authentic, it will be recalled, and most of all, it will be rejected.